What up, everybody? Jason from JTV Life here. I got a couple butts on the Barbie this afternoon. And I figured I'd take a quick second to show you all how easy it is to put this temperature probe in there and set a probe alarm. That way we can cook our meat to the proper internal temperature for the ultimate barbecue. All right, so the first step to doing this is to open the grill. We're gonna stick our meat probe halfway in to the thickest portion of the meat without touching a bone. Then we're just gonna close the lid so it doesn't crimp our lead. Next, all we gotta do is plug in our probe, and the Traeger will notice the probe is there and it'll prompt us to set an alarm. We don't say no, we just say yes around here. We're gonna set it for 160, because that's what I want my butts to hit before I wrap them in foil for the second portion of cooking. One more push, let you know it's done right here. It'll display our alarm is set for 160. And right now our probe is currently reading 53 degrees. The Traeger is just that easy, guys. You pretty much set it and forget it, like my man Ronco used to say back in the day with his rotisserie ovens. If you like this video and it helped you out, please give me a little thumbs up. Also, subscribe. That way you can check out all the Traeger videos we have here at JTV Life. If you're curious about what I'm cooking up in there, a couple keto pulled porks. Make sure you check out my other channel, Rad Dad Cooks, on YouTube. For now, this is Jason for JTV Life, signing off. I'll catch you all next time. Like, comment.